Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the cashback tracking issues on Rakuten step by step. So step 1, you should always start your shopping trip inside the Rakuten app or the browser extension to ensure that tracking is active. Step 2, disable any ad blockers such as VPNs or privacy browser settings that may interfere with the traffic tracking cookies. Step 3, avoid using coupon extensions or multiple cashback apps at the same time because they can override Rakuten's referral. Step 4, make sure that you don't close the tab or switch apps during the checkout because this may break the tracking session. Step 5, after completing your purchase, you can allow some time, up to 24 to 48 hours, for Rakuten to reflect the pending cashback. Step 6, if the cashback still doesn't show, you can go to My Account and then Missing Cashback and submit a missing cashback ticket with your receipt and order details. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.